Okay, Morten, so XFE 7-12.
Yes.
So we'll start from this end and work our way down.
Let's do it.
Okay, so the backing pad.
The backing pad on that one is 75mm with a maximum polishing sponge of 80mm on that one.
Okay, and the orbit on this?
Orbit is 12mm.
Okay, and
Exactly.
then we've got the variable speed at the bottom here.
That's right, yeah. That one, it's on the dial, it's 1 to 6.
Yeah.
1 is 1800 and then 6 is 5500.
Okay, and then the length of the cable?
Cable again on this one is 4 meters long.
Okay, and then where best to use this and why?
Well, it's a dual action, so, and a small one, as we can see. So again, it's ideal for intricate areas, bumpers, wing mirrors, smaller areas that are difficult to get to with some of the bigger polishers here. Being a DA, it's very easy to use, very user-friendly, for want of a better word.
Yeah.
So you're not going to get yourself into trouble with overheating with the DA.
Okay. Yeah.